Hi, I'm Lindsay from Julian Modern Property Management, and today I'm just going to speak to you about the effects of your gutters being full at this time of year and what damage that can cause the property. So this is just an example of brickwork which is dry and not suffering from damp. This is an example of brickwork where water has been leaking down the guttering and splashing onto the brick, causing it to become very damp over time. It's also starting to grow some moss and has an effect on the pointing. This is inside a property which damp has penetrated through the wall. So if you are a tenant and you notice that your gutters are full or overflowing, then get in contact with us as soon as possible. And if you are a landlord and you'd like us to instruct one of our reliable roofers to take a look at the gutters and clear them out, then again, just get in contact with us at Julian Modern Property Management.